Hello everyone. In this video, I'll focus on how to work with null values in the data using SQL. Let's get started. Sometimes we may have records with no values in it. And as part of the exploratory data analysis, you may want to explore these records and find out the reasons for that. To find null records, we can simply use ISNULL in SQL. In this example, the code returns all the records where salary is null. We can actually count how many of such null records exist in a table. For this, we can use count function along with ISNULL function in SQL. The example here shows there is only one record where salary is null. And on the other hand, to find out records excluding null values, we can use NOTNULL. See the difference in ISNULL and NOTNULL. The example here shows all the non-missing records for the salary. Now that's about the ISNULL and NOTNULL using SQL. Now let's head over to the pgadmin and show you how to use ISNULL and NOTNULL with an example. Okay, so here I am in pgadmin. Let's practice ISNULL and NOTNULL. So first let's get all null records from the table. For that, select star from employee table where we're trying to filter out just the job ID is null. Let's see if we get any record from the table. Alright, so as you can see, job ID is null for all these records. So this is how we can filter out the null records from the data. Now let's count how many null records are there in the table. For that, we can just simply select count star from employee where job ID. We're just counting for the job ID, and okay, there are 4 records with the job ID null. So now count not null records. So if you want to know the rest of the data where everything is not null, then for that we can do select count star from employee table where salary not null. Okay, we're counting all the records where the salary is not null. Okay, so there are 40 records that have salary not null. So this is how you can count the records for null and not null in the data. Alright, I'm just gonna save it and close this. Thank you so much. There you have it. Now you know how to use ISNULL and NOTNULL in SQL. Thank you so much. Happy learning.